Hey everyone, just a quick short announcement from me. If you're on Facebook, please join the awesome group Oil-Based Pomade Enthusiasts. I'll leave a link in the description below so it's much easier for you guys to find us. And I'm currently one of the moderators of the group, and I'd be more than willing and happy to accept you if you're the kind of person who's obviously into oil-based pomades, be them home brews or classic stuff of the past century. But if classic is more down your road, they don't have to be oil-based products. They can also be stuff like Brill Cream or Vitalis. Basically, if you're all around into the older hair products, then go give OBPE a follow and join a group, because we're not just an oil-based pomade group, we're also a group for classic and older 20th century hairstyling products. So I know that there is another pomade group in Facebook called Everything Pomade, which is popular, and I'm part of it as well, and I do love it. But if you're the kind of person who only likes oil-based and older stuff, then Everything Pomade might not really be down your road. This is not to say that Everything Pomade is a bad group. I do love them, but that group tends to gravitate more and lean towards the newer products like matte clays and matte paste. So if that's not really for you, then I think Oil-Based Pomade Enthusiasts is more down your road. So I'll see you there. Join a group and stay greasy, everybody.